In this video, we will continue to talk about Canva. We are creating a playlist with many lessons on Canva, so you can look for Canva Videocourse if you want to check other videos. And you can also check in the English video courses. Here you will find a playlist about Canva and also other playlists here in the playlist page as well. Now we are going to explore one by one all the tools that we can find in Canva. This is also a web app that is in continued evolution, so we will keep an eye on any update, on any changing. So let's get started with something really simple. This is going to be our first approach. And of course, if you are not a beginner, you can skip ahead. You can go to the next video. But for those of you who don't really know what to do with graphic design in general, you will probably find this useful. So first of all, let's select a template from here. Well, you can select templates from here, or you can go to more if you want to check more templates. And I want to start with something really simple. And I'm looking for actually a resume or a curriculum vitae. So if I don't find it here, just let's search it right on the top. So I'm gonna type resume and click here. Okay, now it's gonna open up the standard resume and the editor, the Canva editor that we already saw in previous video. Now in the left side, there are gonna be uploaded a series of different styles for your resume. So you can check, for example, with modern or simple or infographic or corporate, photo resume, and so on. And you can select the one that you like the most. Now I'm going to use this one here, but again, you can pick any one that you like. Also use the arrows here to scroll horizontally. Okay, now let's see how this is a really simple example of graphic design. So we have basically text, we have pictures, we have shapes, which will be like vector shapes or vector graphics, and we have some information and so on. And we have also a kind of layout, and this is up to you. You can switch everything here, you can change everything, or you can select also another resume with something that fits your needs. So well, it's giving me this in Italian because I guess they kind of have like a localization device or something like that. But well, it's not important the content, but what's inside. So first of all, when you see a picture like this, it has been placed in a particular box, and we will talk about these advanced things a little bit later. But I want to show you how you can change the picture. So you need, if you want to customize this, you need to have a picture uploaded. So you can see I don't have any picture here. I will click on upload, and well, I need to sign up. Now you can also get Canva Pro for free for 30 days, and then you can buy the premium version, but we are going to use the standard version just to get familiar with this application. Okay, so right now I can upload. So if I click here to upload and I click on upload media, and let's say, okay, I want to get it from my device. And let's say I want to upload this image here. Okay. There we go. Now I can place this really easy. I can get this. Well, I can continue actually to, I can also upload more things together. Okay. More images, but in this case, we're gonna work just with images. And if you click and drag this, you can directly drag it and drop it inside that box, so you can place it anywhere. It's gonna create this blue frame that you can scale, you can rotate, and the image inside is gonna rotate and scale as well. And I can again place that right inside, but right now I cannot do that anymore because I already place that somewhere, and just do that again. All right, now I changed the background there. Well, you can do the same thing with this image. So just click, drag, and drop it right there. Now I'm gonna go back because it was better before. Okay, and Next thing, now you can work with images, you can work with vector graphics. Now this one here, it's a rectangle, it is a vector graphic, and we're going to go more deep into this later on. I'm going to do this step by step so you don't get confused and you learn one thing after another without difficulty. Okay, so if we click here and go to this icon here, you can select the color. Now Canva is really intelligent because it's figuring out which are the document colors and also the photo colors. Now this is a black and white photo, so it's gonna give me all these shades of gray and a black. But I can also select another default color, and this is gonna update right away. And I can also add your brand color from, let's say, your brand. If you have a logo or something like that, it's gonna upload it. And also I can search for a particular color here, or I can click on this plus icon and it's gonna give me this hexadecimal value. So I can use this slide, I can use the picker, but I can also insert something really defined here. So for example, if I do F, it's gonna be a total white color. This is how the hexadecimal work, and you can also check here. And let's search for hexa color picker. So, okay, let's try this one here. There you go. So here you can check a particular color and the code, which will be RGB or HSB or this number or letters. And you can also get a nice additional tool if you search for image color picker. And this is the website here. You can upload an image and you can get the image from there. You can get, sorry, the colors from that image directly by clicking, or it's gonna find out a palette for you automatically, again, like artificial intelligence. And you can just click here and use your image. Just click here and upload it, and then you can get a precise color to use. Just get the code there, right click, copy, and paste it into this space, and it's gonna get you that color. Okay, now let's move on and let's talk about text. Now text is probably the easiest thing that you can do here in this application, but also in other applications. But if you are really a beginner, I will tell you just the basic things. So first of all, you need to select a text, and there you can change again the color from here. So if I want the same color, I can select it like that. And also I can format this. Well, I can go in any of these boxes. This will be like frames again. Then I can rotate and I can scale it up or down. They will work like group of things. But if you double click there inside, you can get inside the group and you can select, for example, that particular text or that one right there. Double click, select it, and you can change the color again. You can change the size. You can change the, well, basically everything that you have here, which are the standard things that you find, for example, in Word or in text editors. Now, if you click here, you can change also the font. Not all fonts are for free. Some of those you need to get the premium version, but you can find lots of fonts. You can also upload a font, but again, you need to be premium. Okay, and what else? Now, well, you can select a text here. You can change the alignment. You can create pointed lists. Now, if you want to see more closer, you just click on this zoom here, and then you can see now better the part that you are editing. And also you can use the control and the scroll wheel to do a big zoom in and out. Okay, now I think this is pretty much, well, let me show you some additional things, but some of these we're gonna talk about this later in other tutorials. But you can add effects here. like shadows or whatever. And you can also animate and do other advanced things, but again, we're gonna talk about that later on. Another really simple thing to do is to duplicate the page. So you can keep an original one and then you can edit the second one. Maybe you can change here the position of the text, make it look completely different. You can experiment and then you can delete it if you want, or you can keep it. Now you can also, drag things outside. Okay, looks really messy right now, but you can use the rulers in pink or purple to work more accurately in aligning all these elements. So just click and drag and then they will appear automatically. And also you can add a blank page if you want, and then you can delete it, of course. So this will be all for this quick first lesson about Canva, just beginning to explore all these tools that we have here in the Canva editor. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. If you want to give us a little support, you can join. And also you can support us in the About page. You will find some links here. If you are interested in these services, you can support us and also get rewarded as well. And also you can support us through the community page. We will find other initiatives. And also check the other video courses in the playlist page, and in the videos you can check the daily videos. So thanks for watching again, and see you in the next video guide.